board, but assuming that to be true, the phrase is what? It's a serious,
Very serious marine casualty.
very serious marine casualty, and as against the president's what?
Little maritime
Little
accident.
maritime accident. There is no contradiction. In so far as the incident is concerned, given the fact that Filipinos were placed in a dangerous situation where they could have been dead, then that's a serious, what did it say? Marine casualty. That's serious enough. But when the president says it's not that serious enough to blow it into international crisis, that is what he meant. So both of them are correct.
So the president believes that the sinking of the boat was a serious marine, very serious marine casualty, sir.
It's a serious in the sense that when you leave our countrymen there after that accident, then that's a serious matter. We will not allow that. You have to be accountable for that.
Will
But you
Malacan...
cannot blow that and make it into an international crisis.
Secretary, the president received the report June 20.
You know why? Because that was a Chinese vessel. That's not China Republic.